Hey guys, I just wanted to start this new series about EDC pouches and toolkits, different pouches. I'm going to go through several of these. I hope you guys enjoy this. I'm going to start off with this little Leatherman pouch and show you what's in here. This is the pouch that came with my Charge Plus. If you guys are familiar with it, it's like the fancy version of the Wave. Has 4 outside opening tools, a nice S30V blade, or sorry, 154 cm blade, rope cutter on the serrated blade, saw file, and it has the upgraded pliers with the hard wire cutters, replaceable hard wire cutters. Has the bit driver inside, can opener, wire stripper, big flathead screwdriver, little scissors, and the little micro driver too. But anyway, I wanted to build this kit around this Leatherman, so I put some stuff in here to complement it because this is one of my favorite to use. I don't necessarily always put it on my belt, but I keep it in my everyday carry bag just as a backup to whatever smaller multi-tool I have in my pocket. So let's take a look at the pouch really quick. The pouch that comes with this has a nice compartment for their flat bits, so I just have an assortment in there. And then you probably saw it fell out along with the tool is the extension driver that plugs into the tool. But these two tools here really complement that Leatherman well. You probably already recognized the little, what are these? The 125 Knipex pliers wrench. I use this thing all the time. I always keep it with this kit because if you want to grip fasteners that are flat on both sides or bolts, sometimes I even use it on water keys for my work. It does a lot better than the needle nose pliers that are in this Leatherman. You could probably keep the 125 Cobras in here, but I feel like this is a better complement because the Leatherman already has multipliers in it, basically. And then you probably noticed this. It has a familiar handle. See if I can slide it out of here. Everything fits really snug in this belt pouch. I may end up upgrading to like a aftermarket pouch that has the elastic loops on the side, but I do like this organization, and it really works well. This is a combination of tools. You probably already recognize the Wera wrap adapter handle. I really love this thing. I have the green version that's magnetic in my bit check, which you'll see in another kit, but I love that this has the locking wrap adapter holder. But what I have stored in it is this little, let's see if I can get close. It's hard to focus the camera. It's the little bit driver from 711L on Amazon, and this actually is intended to go in your Leatherman. Anyway, this actually goes in the bit driver of the Leatherman that holds the replaceable bits. You can slide this in here and use your Leatherman as a bit driver. It's a really nice quality. It has a forward and reverse switch, a little thumb wheel. I have just a 1/4 inch driver in there right now, but you could use even the Leatherman bits. Probably should show you. You can even use the double-sided Leatherman bits. They hold in there reasonably well. You could even take a magnet and stick it on there. Probably would help. It does definitely help hold it. I bought this intending to use it in several different Leathermans. You'll see another one in one of these other kits. But I ended up having the idea to use it in a locking bit holder or screwdriver handle. Put my little magnet back on there. I feel like it works really well with these locking bit handles. It makes such a nice, comfortable handle for it, and it feels like a real ratchet. I've sometimes had to just use this by itself because I don't want to put a, 8-ounce Leatherman on the end of it. And I feel like this is a much better solution that's lighter, more comfortable. And I did notice that in their 2024 calendar, Wera is now offering the magnetic handle with a bit driver accessory that just magnetizes down in there. And I'm hoping they'll start selling that bit driver separately. That would be nice, because that would work probably even better than this. This is just something I came up with. I did modify this just a little bit, making the indentations for your 1-inch bits a little bit deeper so it would lock in here better. And I also put one of those little neodymium magnets inside of the handle. But that's a really good combo. I feel like it's more comfortable to use. And in several of these kits I have 1/4-inch sockets that would work with this. And so this is the introduction to this series. You see I have other kits laid out here, and I'm going to make those as separate videos. So we just get a little sneak peek of it. So I hope you guys enjoy this series and you continue watching. Alright, we'll see you on the next one.